Canon MR-14EX II Macro Ring Light. Yes, it's expensive, but watch what happens at 5:1 magnification. Ever stared at a gorgeous insect through your 100mm macro, hit the shutter, and got a muddy, shadowy mess because your own lens blocked the light? You're not alone. Half the macro world is silently cursing their lighting right now. Drop "same" in the comments if you've been there. What if one ring changed everything? Deadlines looming, client waiting for perfect jewelry shots, and you're sweating because one side of the ring is dark while the gem is blown out? That tight chest panic is real. Imagine dialing in perfect light in seconds, crisp, controllable, no chaos, just pure confidence every single trigger pull. Enter the Canon MR-14EX II Macro Ring Light, the dual-tube beast that wraps flawless, even light around your lens and lets you sculpt it like a pro. Fire both tubes for buttery, shadowless beauty, or dial a 4:1 ratio and watch texture explode on a beetle's wing. One wildlife shooter almost missed a once-in-a-lifetime jumping spider shot because his old ring was flat and lifeless. He slapped on the MR-14EX II, tweaked the ratio, and pulled the shot of the year. The bright LED modeling lamps let you nail critical focus in dark undergrowth. E-TTL II reads minds for perfect exposure, and the illuminated LCD means you're never guessing settings in the field. It's dust and moisture resistant, mounts directly to your macro lens, and turns impossible lighting into done. Comment "ratio" if you're ready to see your subjects in 3 dimensions for the first time. Watch colors pop, textures breathe, and every droplet on a flower sparkle like it's lit by magic. One pro insect photographer said, "The MR-14EX II made my portfolio go from good to gallery. Ratio control is pure sorcery." A dental specialist told me, "My before-after patient photos finally look consistent. Insurance companies stopped questioning my claims." Even imaging analysts admit Canon's E-TTL II integration smokes every third-party ring they've tested. See why thousands of creators can't stop raving? Yes, it's an investment, but cheaper rings recycle slow, meter badly, and die in the field, costing you shots and reputation. This one just works, season after season. I've watched a jeweler's sales double because her product shots finally looked expensive. Which feature has you weakest? The independent twin tubes? The LED modeling lamps that save your focus? Or the fact it turns scary close macro into child's play? Tell me below. Your next favorite image is waiting. Join the working pros, dental clinics, and bug-obsessed creators already getting jaw-dropping results every shoot with the Canon MR-14EX II Macro Ring Light. No hype, no scarcity tricks, just the best macro lighting Canon has ever made, still dominating years later. If you're tired of fighting shadows and ready for images that make people stop scrolling, check the link in the description and see the difference for yourself. Your subjects deserve this light. Go make magic!